Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech West, and I'm back with a new video on how you can close your account on Sofi Money or your Sofi Invest. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account, and once you're logged into your account, so then you'll have to tap on the gear icon located in the top right. After you tap on the manage option on the other interface, you'll be directed to manage account. You can see you have a list of options, so then you'll have to scroll down, and right at the bottom you have an option as close account. All you have to do is, in order to close your account, tap on the arrow icon located right in the corner. After you tap on the arrow icon on the other interface, you have to provide some information and then give a reason for closing your account. And after you've done that, you've successfully closed your Sofi Money or your Sofi Invest account on your device. So just a reminder, those of you who have a negative balance, you'll need to bring the balance up to $0 before another account can be closed. In case you're more concerned about it, then you can contact the customer service itself. So that is how you can close your account of Sofi Money or Sofi Invest. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.